Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the geometry revision series. So today we are going to practice a lot of geometry questions basically based on triangles which do frequently come in CAT, and we are gonna have a good look at the questions which have previously come in CAT and similar kind of questions also. So till now we have studied in triangles the concept of parallel lines, how to play with the angles. Till now we have learned about orthocenter, circumcenter, these kind of things. We have learned about medians, how to play with the medians, how to get the right answer, how to get the angle bisector, and how to play with the angle bisector theorem. Okay, so today based on these concepts, if you are not well versed with these topics, I would suggest you to go to the channel and watch the previous videos of the series. Those will be helpful for you. And if you want to continue with the questions also, while discussing the questions also, we are going to discuss the concept as well, so don't worry. So let's start the question series of today. Okay, in this question it is given that the circumcenter of a triangle with vertices. Okay, so three vertices are given of the triangle, this and this. We have to find out the circumcenter. So since the coordinates are given, so what we will do is, this is the origin. I will try to draw them on the axis, y axis and x axis, and let's see how we can proceed. So a vertices is 1 9, so x axis is 1, and let us say 9 is around here. So this is the point. So this is 1 9, then 9 9, so 9 will be around here, 9 will be around here. So this is 9 9. Okay, and 9 15, so 9 here and 15 will be around here. So 9 15. So basically this is the triangle. So this is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, I told you that you always have to remember that in a right angle triangle the circumcenter always lie on the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So here this is the hypotenuse, this is the midpoint, so this is the circumcenter. Okay, because with this as diameter, with AB as diameter, this circle will be drawn, circumscribing the triangle. So this will be the circumcenter. So how to find this? So since this point is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, so it is going to divide hypotenuse in the ratio 1:1. So you can find by section formula, Cx, x coordinate and y coordinate. So Cx will be 1 into 9 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2. So 1 into 9 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2 is equal to 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and Cy will be 1 into 9 plus 1 into 15 divided by 2. So 1 into 9 plus 1 into 15 divided by 2 is equal to 9 plus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So coordinates will be 5 and 12. Let's see. Yeah, option number B is the right answer. So this is how you find out the circumcenter of a given right angle triangle. These kind of questions do frequently come in CAT also, EXAT also, and as far as I know they come in NMAT also frequently. So let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, question number 2. In a triangle ABC, let me draw a bit larger figure. A, B and C. It is given that this FE is parallel to AD. This FE is parallel to AD and FD is parallel to AC. Okay. So in triangle, it is also given that BD to DC, BD by DC is equal to 3 by 5. So you can consider it as 3x, it as 5x. Okay. Now in a triangle, if this is a triangle ABC and this DE, if DE is parallel to BC, then there is a theorem we can write as AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, or we can write as AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So basically by proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn parallel like this in a triangle, then this parallel line divides this triangle, this line or this vertex in the same ratio, in the same proportion as the other vertex. So that's why we can use the proportionality theorem here also in this question. So let's see how we can play with this. Okay, so if you see triangle A, B and D, so BE by AD is equal to BF by FA. Okay, and also if we see triangle ABC, then BD by DC is equal to BF by FA. Okay, so from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write as BE by ED is equal to BD by DC. So let's see what is given. BE by ED. Okay, so BE by ED is equal to BF upon FA. Okay, and BD by DC is equal to 3 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. BD is to DC. Okay, and since BD by DC is equal to 3 by 5, okay, so BD plus DC is going to be around 8 and BE by ED is 3 by 5. So BE plus ED upon ED is equal to 3 plus 5 upon 5. Okay, so BE plus ED will be BD divided by ED is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 5. Now BD is 3x by ED is equal to 8 by 5. That implies ED is equal to 3 into 5 by 8x. Okay, so it is 15 by 8x. This is ED. Now what we have to find, AD is to DC. So ED divided by DC is equal to 15 by 8x divided by DC. We know that it is 5x. So divided by 5x is equal to 15. X gets cancelled by 8 into 5, 5, 3, 15. So the ratio is 3 is to 8. Let's see if any option is there. Yeah, option number C is the right answer. 3 is to 8 is the right answer. So this is like, if you know the basic proportionality theorem and two parallel lines are given within the triangle, then you can play with the questions. See, theory you do not have to remember that much, but you just have to remember the basic proportionality theorem and practice these kind of questions. Whatever questions I am giving you in the video series, those are sufficient enough. So let's see and move ahead to the next question. Okay, question number 3. In this question, it is given that ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. Perfect. Also, it is given that AE is median. So this is equal to this. BE is equal to EC. It is given that AD is the angle bisector. So whenever the word angle bisector is used, you always have to remember, you have to use the angle bisector theorem. Once again, we will revise how the angle bisector theorem works. Let us say this is a triangle, ABC is a triangle and AD is the angle bisector. So that means AB by BD is equal to AC by DC. Always remember that. This is the internal angle bisector theorem. We are going to revise, we are going to do question on external angle bisector theorem a bit later onwards. Okay, so it is given that AB is equal to 6 and BC is 8. So B is 4 and EC is 4. So this is 3 into 2. This is 4 into 2. So this is going to be 5 into 2, 10. How I came at this solution? If ABC is a right angle triangle, so 3, 4, 5. It is a very important Pythagoras triplet which is frequently used in CAT kind of examinations. So 3 into 2 or 3 into 3. So 4 into 3 and 5 into 3. You have to multiply by the same ratio or same integer or same fraction also. You can multiply by 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 everywhere. Like you have to, this with this kind of property, have to play with 3, 4, 5 triplet. Always remember that This is going to save a lot of your time. You don't have to use that hypotenuse formula every time, Pythagoras formula. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now since angle bisector theorem has to be used, let us write it down. AB by BD is equal to AC by DC. So AB is 6 divided by BD is equal to AC is 10 divided by DC. So 2, 3, 2, 5. So BD by DC is equal to 3 by 5 by DC is equal to 3 by 5. Let us say it is 3x, this is 5x. So 3x plus 5x is BD plus DC is equal to BC. So 8x is equal to BC, BC is 8, so x is equal to 1. So that means BD is equal to 3 and DC is equal to 5. Okay. Now it is given that this is median. So BE is equal to 4. So BE4 is equal to BD plus DE. So 4 is equal to what is BD? BD we arrived at 3. 3 plus DE, that implies DE is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio of the area of triangle AED to area of triangle ABD. Okay, so AED, for triangle AED, AB is the height, base is DE. So area of AED is equal to half into base is DE, height is AB, divided by area of triangle ABD. For ABD, height is AB and base is BD. So area of ABD is equal to half into base is BD, height is AB. So half gets cancelled, AB cancel. So this is DE upon BD. Now we found out DE is 1 and what is BD? BD is 3. From here you can find out BD is 3. Okay. Okay, perfect. BD is 3, DC is 5. Perfect. So 1:3 is the right answer. Let's see if any option is matching. Area of triangle AD. Yeah, option number D is matching. So this is the right answer. Like this you have to play. Let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 4. In this question it is given that there is a triangle ABC. Here AB is 7, BC is 8. For what value of AC, area of triangle is maximum? Let us say angle between AB and BC is theta. So area can be given as half into product of sides into angle between, sine of angle between them. Okay, half into AB into sine theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. So this has to be maximum. Half is constant, 7 is constant, 8 is constant. Sine theta has to be maximum. Sine theta maximum value is 1 when theta is equal to 90 degree. So that means the triangle is going to look like this: 7, 8, and this is going to be 90 degrees. So A, B, C. We have to find AC. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. AC is equal to root under 7 square plus 8 square is equal to root under 49 plus 64. So 60, 40 is 100 plus 9 is 109 plus 4 is 113. So root 113. This should be the right answer. Yeah, option number C is the right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, another good question. Triangle ABC is their medians. AD and CE are medians. Okay, and they intersect each other at right angle triangle. Okay, now AD is 8 and CE is 12. Also, you know that in a triangle, when medians intersect at this point, okay, now this point is known as centroid, and centroid divides the triangle like this or divides the vertices like this in the ratio 2:1. Always remember that. So this is the centroid. So this is going to be 2x, this is going to be 1x. Okay. So 2x plus 1x is 3x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 3. So 2x is equal to 16 by 3. So let this point be D. Let this point be, let us say, let this point be F. So AF is equal to 2x is equal to 16 by 3. Also, let us say this is a triangle and ABC is a triangle and AD is a median. So area of ABD is going to be equal to the area of ADC, because median is going to divide the triangle into two equal halves. Okay. So EC is a median. So area of triangle AEC is going to be area of triangle CEB. So since this is 90 degrees, so area of AEC is going to be half into what is base is EC into height is AF. So this is half into EC is 12 into AF is 16 by 3. So 3, 4, 12, 2. So this is 32. Okay, centimeter square. Now area of ABC is going to be 2 into 32, because EC is dividing the triangle into two equal halves. So 64 centimeter square should be the right answer. Let me check. Yeah, option is not there. So 64 is the right answer. Question number 7. In a triangle PQR, okay, PQR, internal angle bisector of P, this is the angle bisector, meets QR at M, and PQ is equal to 16 and PM is equal to 12. QPR is equal to 120 degrees. So this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Find the length of PR. We have to find out PR. Okay. You know, if triangle is like this, ABC, this is theta. So area is equal to half into AB sine theta. Okay. So here area of PQR is equal to area of PQM plus area of PMR. Area of PQR is equal to half into 16 into, let PR be x into sine 120 is equal to area of PQM is half into 16 into 12 into sine 60 plus half into 12 into x into sine 60. Now with sine there is a property, sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So sine 120 is equal to sine 60. So this gets cancelled. Okay. Half gets cancelled. So 16x is equal to 16 into 12 plus 12x. So 16x minus 12x, 4x is equal to 16 into 12. X is equal to 16 into 12 divided by 4. 4, 4, 16, 4, 2, 8, 4, 1, 4. It is, x is coming as 48. Yeah, this is 48 centimeter. Option C is the right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, consider an isosceles triangle PQR. So PQ is equal to QR. It is known that length of hypotenuse of triangle is 20 centimeter. This is 20. Perfect. A rectangle ABC is constructed. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Perfect. AB is 6. Okay, find the area of rectangle. So let it be x degrees. Okay, so this is also 90. So this is 90 minus x. Okay, Now these two lines are parallel because both AB and DC, these are perpendicular, and these two lines are parallel. Okay, so this is like this. If this angle is equal to this angle, then these two lines are parallel. So this is 90. In this case, this is 90, this is 90. So these two lines are parallel. Okay. So this is parallel. So this is 90. So this is 90 minus x. So this is also 90 minus x. Okay. And another thing, also, if you do not want to consider parallel, one thing is this is isosceles triangle. So PQ is equal to QR. So that means PQ is equal to QR. So angle P is equal to angle R. Okay. This is 90 degree. So angle P is equal to 45. So angle R is also equal to 45. So this is 45. Okay. Now this is 90. So this is 45. 90 minus x. This is also 45. So this is 90. So let this be y. So y plus 90 plus 45 is equal to 180. Okay. And so y is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus 45. This is also 45. So y is also 45. So this is also 180 minus 90 minus 45. This is also 45. Now this is also 90 minus x. This is also 45. Okay. So this is 45. This is 45. This is 45. So that means PB is equal to AB, because PBA triangle is an isosceles triangle. In a angle, if this angle is equal to this angle, then this length is equal to this length, because this is an isosceles triangle. So since this is an isosceles triangle, so that means PB is also equal to 6. Similarly, CR is also equal to 6. So PR is equal to 20. So BC is equal to PR 20 minus PB 6 minus CR 6. This is equal to 8. So this is 8. Area of rectangle is equal to BC into DC, length into breadth. So this is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 48 centimeters square. This should be the right answer. Yeah, option number A is the right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. In this given figure, PQR is a square. Okay. A triangle PQL is found with L on side SR. Okay. A diagonal. So PQR is a square. PQRS is a square. Now LMR area is 13. PMQ area is 26. Now if you observe carefully, if two parallel lines are there, here SR is parallel to PQ. Area of this triangle is also equal to area of this triangle, because area of triangle is equal to base into height. Its height is this and this height is this, so height is going to be same and base is same. So in this, area of PQR is equal to area of LPQ. Okay, so let the area of RMQ be x. So PQR is 26 plus x is equal to area of LPQ. LPQ is area of, let this be LPQ, let this be y, is equal to y plus 26. So y 26, y is equal to x. So this is also equal to x. Also PR is diagonal. Okay. So area of SRP is equal to area of PRQ. SRP is, let this area be Z, area of LSP. So Z plus x plus 13 is equal to PRQ is 26 plus x. X gets cancelled. So Z is equal to 26 minus 13, 13. So this is 13. Area of PLS is 13. 13 is the right answer. 13 square meter. Option number D. Let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 10. This question actually is a long question, and these kind of questions do come in exact, And this question is not important from the fact that it is going to come directly into CAT exam, but it is going to clear a lot of concepts for you. Okay, observe this carefully. ABC is a equilateral triangle, so all sides are A, and A. D and E are midpoints. So D is going to be parallel to BC. Why? By proportionality theorem, if triangle ABC is there, D and E, if these two lines are parallel, then they are divided into the same ratio. Or if they are in the same ratio, these two lines are parallel. Here it is midpoint. This is also known as midpoint theorem. So this is ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So these two lines are parallel. Okay. So since these two lines are parallel, so this angle is going to be this angle is going to be this angle. Now ABC is a equilateral triangle, so all the angles are 60 degrees. So angle D is equal to 60, angle E is equal to also be 60, and angle A is 60. So angle ADE is also going to be equilateral triangle because these are similar triangles. So this is A by 2, this is A by 2. So this is also A by 2, and DE is also A by 2. This is also A by 2. Also, since these lines are parallel, so this angle is going to be this angle. Let me use different color, and this angle is going to be angle to this angle, and this angle is going to be this angle. Okay, so we can say that DEF, triangle DEF is similar to triangle CBF. Okay, so if two triangles are similar, so DE by CB is equal to EF by BF is equal to everything. They are going to be in the same proportion. This ratio is going to be same for everything when two triangles are similar, whether it be circumcircle, whether it be circumradius, whether it be altitudes also. So DE is A by 2 divided by CB is A, so 1 by 2. Remember this, 1 by 2 is going to be the ratio for even altitudes also. So let us draw like this. Let this be M, this is F, this is M. So in an equilateral triangle, we know that length of altitude is root 3 by 2a. Area is root 3 by 4a square. Okay. So here an is equal to root 3 by 2 into a by 2. So it is root 3 by 4a. Am is equal to root 3 by 2 into a. Okay. Also, we know that am minus an, it will come out to be fn. So it will be root 3 by 2a minus root 3 by 4a is equal to root 3 by 4a. Simple. Now this is am minus an is equal to mn, sorry, not fn. This is mn. Okay, this is mn. Now we know that fn by fm is equal to 1 by 2. How? Because I told you this ratio in two similar triangles, this ratio is going to be same for every other thing, whether it be sides, whether it be altitudes also. So fn is altitude of DEF, fm is altitude of CBF. So fn by fm is 1 by 2. Let it be x, let it be x. So fn plus fm is equal to 1x plus 2x is equal to 3x. This is equal to root 3 by 4a from here. That implies x is equal to root 3 into a by 4 into 3. Okay. What we have to find out? We have to find out area of DEF. Area of DEF is equal to half into base is, what is base? Base is DE. DE is a by 2. And what is height? Height is Fn. So Fn we find out to be 1x. Now 1x is this. So root 3 into a by 4 into 3 into root 3 into root 3. So this becomes root 3 into root 3 into 3. Now 4 to 8, 8 to 16. So 8 square by 16 root 3. This should be the right answer. Yeah, option number A is the right answer. So this question involved the concept of similarity of triangles. In a separate video I will teach you how to find out the similarity of triangles, how to play with the congruency of triangles also. So these questions are very important concepts. Let's see the final question of today. A triangle PQR is right angled at P. Okay, this is right angle. Now PS is also perpendicular to QR and PS is 12, QS is 18. So we can find out PQ. PQ is root under 12 square plus 18 square. So this is going to be 144 plus 18 into 18, 64, 8, 14, 18, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4. So 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 14. So 3, 3, 9, 3, 9, 27, 3, 13. So 3 to 6. So this is 6 root 13. Okay, perfect. So PQ is 6 root 13. We calculated by Pythagoras theorem. Here also we know that ST is the angle bisector. Okay, so definitely angle bisector theorem will be used. So definitely this formula PS by PT is equal to SR by RT. This is going to be used. Okay, now here we can use similarity of triangles. So if you observe carefully, to say two triangles are similar, if you say two angles are similar, two angles are same, so definitely third angle is also going to be same. So by double A test also or triple A test, you can say that the two triangles will be similar triangles. So if you observe carefully, angle P is equal to angle S. Okay, and if you observe carefully, in triangle PSQ and triangle RPQ, okay, so angle Q is equal to angle Q, angle P is 90 degree, angle S is 90 degree. Okay, so two angles are same, so these two are similar triangles. So that means PS by RP is equal to SQ by PQ. Okay, so PS we know and RP we don't know, SQ we know and SQ we know and PQ we know. Okay, so PS is 12 divided by PR is equal to what is SQ? SQ is 18 divided by PQ is 6 root 13. That implies PR is equal to 12 into 6 root 13 divided by 18. 6, 3, 18, 3, 4, 12. So 4 root 13. So this is 4 root 13. Okay. Now this is 12, this is 4 root 13. So if you calculate by Pythagoras theorem, SR is going to be equal to SR is going to be 4 root 13 the whole square minus 12 square. If you calculate this, you will find out to be 8. So this is 8. Now let us say TR is X. Now by angle bisector theorem, we know that we can use this equation. So PS is 12 by PT is equal to SR is 8 by RT. So TR by PT is equal to 8 by 12, 4 to 8, 4, 3, 12. Or if you come here, so TR plus PT, TR plus PT divided by PT is equal to 2 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to TR plus PT is PR is 4 root 13 is equal to 4 root 13 divided by PT. Okay, so that means PT is equal to 3 into 4 root 13 divided by 5. And what is TR? TR is 4 root 13 minus 3 by 5 4 root 13. Okay, so this is going to be 2 by 5 into 4 root 13, so it is 8 by 5 root 13. So let me check. Yeah, 8 by option C is the right answer. So this is, I think we are done for today. So this is how you have to solve these kind of questions, and I hope you found out the revision series quite good. I have taken the toughest of questions which can come into the exam and which are going to help you a lot. So let's move in the next video. Till then, bye bye.